To obtain polyatomic ion particles in the first Descendant, they can be found in the enhancement material section by searching for poly, which allows access to energy activators containing these particles. The acquisition info for these particles can be viewed by pressing F. Polyatomic ion particles can be acquired by completing various missions and killing mission monsters in the fortress region, where available missions are displayed on the screen, including the command relay, frozen shipyard, and giant hangar. It is essential to kill as many mission monsters as possible in these missions to maximize the number of polyatomic ion particles obtained. Additionally, these particles can also be found in encrypted vaults located in the fortress area, which offer a chance to receive them as a reward for completing the vault's minigame. Each encrypted vault has a unique minigame, and upon completion, there is a chance to receive polyatomic ion particles as a reward. By following these methods, it is possible to obtain these particles in the fortress region.